Diet, movement, and rest are the anchors to a healthy body.
All these are in relation with one another. Working on all these layers will help us achieve ultimate health and joy.
You will not only learn about nutrition, but also a holistic approach to health and wellness, and meet people who are already in their health journey.
We invite you for a life-transforming experience at the Nature to Nutrition Wellness Retreat by Bodhi Greens in Dharamshala.
Our retreat is designed to heal and nourish all these layers. Indian philosophy speaks about human existence having 5 seats or panchakoshas: Annamaya Kosha, Pranamaya Kosha, Manomaya Kosha, Vijnanamaya Kosha, and Anandamaya Kosha.
Annamaya Kosha, the physical body. I will be hosting in-depth sessions on nutrition and answer all your queries one-on-one. You will learn how to take control of your gut health, learn the art of balancing food groups, and get a deep detox. You will also get a chance to cook with me. I will give you easy hacks to make healthy food tasty. Quick recipes you can make on a busy day. And tips to stock up your pantry with the right ingredients.
The Yoga Asana sessions every morning are planned for all age groups to get your mind to embrace your uniqueness and open your physical body to the abundance in the universe. Pranamaya Kosha. We won't be alive without prana. We breathe 23,000 times a day, and how many of them are not interrupted by a thought? Prana is the vital energy affected by emotions and activities throughout the day. Come, breathe in the fresh air of mountains. Send prana to all the organs in the body and release the doubts, fear, pain that you've been holding on to for the longest time.
Manomaya Kosha. Manomaya encompasses the processing of thoughts and emotions. It is the connection point between the lower and the upper 2 sheaths. Our brain receives signals from each of the organs and interprets them to give us a sense of what's happening around us. Our minds create constant judgments. Witness your mind's narrative and train it in your favor through meditation and journaling techniques that help you delve deeper into your relationship with yourself, your food, and the people around you.
Vijnanamaya Kosha. Games and art have been the major highlight of our retreat, where you will get in touch with your Vijnanamaya Kosha, your intellectual self, to improve body motor skills, reflection and perception, improve cognition, increase problem solving skills, and learn to regulate your emotions.
Anandamaya Kosha. In Vedanta philosophy, the Anandamaya Kosha is the fifth and the most subtle layer of the embodied self, or the sheath of bliss. Food made with love, Mother Nature's abundance, and all other activities will leave you in awe and enjoy the moments of bliss during your stay.
Join us for this life-changing retreat.
You will be empowered with highly effective tools, a supportive community, and a well-deserved vacation at our beautiful homestay in Dharamkot.
Register today at the link below.